review video. We make the review of the Lego Technic set 42136. It's a John Deere 9620R 4 wheels drive, I think, 4VD tractor. So in this set we get the tractor in the green as all John Deere's, and yellow trailer. So this set came out this year in 2022. It contains 390 pieces and costed about 30 euro, I think, 29.99, something like that. So what's the everything what you can do? So the trailer can be hooked and unhooked. The back axle are not fixed, so, and the trailer can go up and down, so it's and the back axle from the tractor go, you can move it left, right. So wait, I already built the set, and now I will show you now the set. And this is build set. So as you can see, my boys already played some with it. So as I said before, and it's movable, so you can see this. As all Technic have some stuff, so this one have also. So we have this pin here. You remove the pin and you can remove the trailer from the tractor. So as you can see here, it goes up, so you can unload whatever you put. We have a pin there that you move. The axles are not really fixed, so it's like for all terrain. You can. It's really nice. I'm not really a really big fan of the Technic sets, but some are really nice and kids love it, so I will recommend this for the kids. So this is not many pieces, but it's nice. So you can see here, I don't know, you have a stool here. We have the steering wheel that's movable. It's very nice. And as I said, I would recommend you to buy this. I would recommend most of the Lego, but this I'll make this short. So I hope you like this these short videos, short review videos. I don't want to show building because everybody do this, so I take out the fun. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment, it will help a lot to grow the channel. So thank you again, and see you in the next one.